Welcome to Step the World of Digitizings.com. We creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's gain knowledge about
5 best embroidery machines for beginners. Overview, price, and features. Embroidery is a rewarding and creative hobby, and having the right embroidery machine can make all the difference, especially for beginners. With numerous options available, choosing the perfect one can be overwhelming. This guide highlights 5 of the best embroidery machines for beginners, including their features, prices, and why digitizings.com. Embroidery digitizing services are an excellent match for each. 1. Brother PE800. Overview. The Brother PE800 is one of the most beginner-friendly embroidery machines available. It features a 5x7 embroidery field, allowing ample space for larger designs. Its intuitive interface and built-in tutorials make it ideal for those new to embroidery. The machine comes preloaded with 138 designs and 11 fonts, giving beginners plenty of options to start. Features 5x7 embroidery area, 138 built-in embroidery designs, 11 lettering fonts, USB port for importing custom designs, color LCD touchscreen for easy navigation, automatic needle threader. Price. The Brother PE800 is priced around $800 to $1,000, depending on the retailer and promotions. Why Digitizings.com is perfect for this machine. With its USB compatibility, the Brother PE800 allows you to import designs easily. Digitizings.com provides high-quality custom embroidery digitizing services, ensuring your designs are optimized for the PE800's capabilities. This partnership makes it easy to bring your unique ideas to life. 2. Genome Memory Craft 400E. Overview. The Genome Memory Craft 400E offers advanced features tailored for beginners who want to grow their skills. With a large 7.9 Text 7, 9 inches embroidery field, it's perfect for creating intricate designs. The machine is user-friendly with a responsive touchscreen and helpful editing tools. Features 7.99 x 7, 9 inches embroidery field, 160 built-in embroidery designs. On-screen editing capabilities, USB port for design import, adjustable speed control, up to 860 stitches per minute. Automatic thread cutter. Price. The Genome Memory Craft 400E is priced between $1,200 and $1,500. Why Digitizings.com is perfect for this machine. The Genome 400E's large embroidery field is ideal for complex, detailed designs. Digitizings.com can create custom digitized files that leverage the machine's advanced capabilities, ensuring every stitch is flawless and professional looking. 3. Singer Futura XL 580. Overview. The Singer Futura XL 580 is a versatile machine that combines embroidery and sewing features, making it perfect for beginners seeking multifunctionality. With a wide 10x6 embroidery area and extensive design options, it's a solid investment for hobbyists. Features 10x6 embroidery field, 250 built-in designs and 20 fonts. Multi-hoop capability. Automatic needle threader and thread cutter, USB connectivity and software for custom designs, sewing and embroidery combination machine. Price. This machine ranges from $1,300 to $1,700. Why Digitizings.com is perfect for this machine. Singer Futura XL 580 users can easily upload custom designs via USB. Digitizings.com ensures these designs are digitized to fit the machine's specifications, enhancing your ability to create personalized projects with ease. 4. Brother Z600. Overview. The Brother Z600 is a budget-friendly combination sewing and embroidery machine. It features a compact design and a 4x4 embroidery area, making it perfect for beginners who want to experiment with smaller projects before tackling larger designs. Features 4x4 embroidery field, 80 built-in embroidery designs, 6 embroidery fonts, USB port for importing designs, 103 built-in sewing stitches, color LCD touchscreen, automatic needle threading system. Price. The Brother SE600 is priced between $600 and $800. Why Digitizings.com is perfect for this machine. The compact embroidery field of the SE600 benefits from precision digitizing. Digitizing.com can create detailed designs optimized for smaller areas, ensuring every project looks sharp and polished. 5. Eversewn Sparrow. X. Overview: the Eversewn Sparrow. X is a smart embroidery and sewing machine that connects to your smartphone or tablet via an app. This innovative feature makes it incredibly easy to control and monitor your projects. With a 4.75x7 embroidery field and a modern design, it's a great choice for tech-savvy beginners. Features: 4.75x7 embroidery field. 100 embroidery designs included Wi-Fi connectivity with app control, combination sewing and embroidery machine, automatic thread tension and cutter, adjustable sewing speed. Price: the Eversewn Sparrow X is priced around $800 to $1,000. Why Digitizing.com is perfect for this machine. The Wi-Fi capability of the Sparrow X allows you to upload designs seamlessly. Digitizing.com can provide digitized embroidery files that are ready to use, helping you maximize the machine's potential for creative, hassle-free embroidery. Conclusion: choosing the right embroidery machine as a beginner can set the foundation for a successful and enjoyable embroidery journey. Each of the 5 machines listed offers unique features, catering to different needs and budgets. To enhance your embroidery experience, consider leveraging Digitizing.com*S professional digitizing services. Whether you're working on small designs with the Brother SE600 or tackling larger projects with the Janoma MemoryCraft 400E, Digitizing.com ensures your designs are optimized for your machine, helping you achieve stunning results every time.
If you're pondering for high-quality embroidery digitizing, Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizing.com or visit the website, Digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.